Check out our new email builder update with search bar, social images, and GIF thumbnails. This new feature update introduces a search bar for all of those saved elements, as well as new social media icons. And it's going to give you the ability to add animated GIFs and GIF thumbnails to your emails, improving the user experience and engagement of those emails. Let's talk about benefits. First of all, this is a really efficient navigation. Now you can quickly find those saved items, those saved elements within the new search bar. You'll also have an expanded social media integration. Now we've included both TikTok and Yelp icons so that you can add those with all of your other social media icons right within the footer. It's also going to help you increase engagement because now you can add animated GIFs and GIF thumbnails to make those emails more interactive and clickable. As far as practical use goes, let's say you're a small business owner that wants to send an email newsletter out featuring a new product. Now, using this new feature, you can quickly find previously saved design elements for your emails. You can also add those additional TikTok and Yelp icons, and you can include a GIF thumbnail of that product so that you can attract more clicks and engagement. Let me show you where this is located. So you're going to go under marketing, and then you're going to go under campaigns and templates. And you're either going to click on new, or you're going to edit an existing template by clicking on the three-dot kebab on the right side. What you're going to notice now is that there is a new save icon. This is a similar icon to what we've had, but it's been updated because now it's easier to find all of these items. So notice the save icon on this image. This was an image that was created as an element, and now we can go ahead and save that. You'll be able to view all of your saved elements within the similar icon on the left-hand side near the plus. This is going to be indicated on the screen right here, and this way it's going to pull up all of those saved items. You'll be able to easily rename each of those items utilizing the three-dot kebab. This way you can name them something that you'll remember, and that way as you use this new search bar I'm about to show you, you can find those easily. And here is that search bar I was talking about. This is where you're going to be able to look up those elements so that you can start adding them. You might start saving a whole ton of elements, and it might be easier sometimes just to look them up. So go ahead and add a video by clicking the plus and then video, and now you can add that video in. You can also add a video thumbnail, which is great. So now you're going to edit or create either a GIF, and then you can add that link that you want that GIF to actually be linked to. Now you're going to access the image element. And this is really going to work the same way. You're just going to drag that in, and then you're going to add your image. You'll also be able to now add the image or the GIF, same as before in that thumbnail. We can go ahead and link that GIF file right in there, super easy. You'll notice now in the social media icons that there are the additional social media icons for both TikTok and Yelp. Now, if you want to add a social media icon, you will select that social media icon in the elements, and then you're going to go ahead and customize everything right in this panel that changes over once you select that element. Now you'll be able to find both TikTok and Yelp. And once those are in, along with all of the others, you're going to be able to see them just like this. This feature provides powerful tools to create a more engaging and effective email campaign. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.